Hello and welcome back to another weekend website course tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about the plugin Pretty Links. Pretty Links is a link management, branding, tracking, and sharing plugin. So just to make it very simple terms, just layman terms, if you are familiar with the Bitly app, which allows you to shrink your links, Pretty Links pretty much allows you to do the same exact thing within your WordPress website using your own domain name. So for example, if you have an affiliate link, which are usually very long links, you can take that link to Pretty Links and you can shrink it and make it something that you desire for that to be. So for example, if my affiliate link was to, for example, to Pretty Links itself. My website is weekendwebsitecourse.com/Pretty Links, and that link would actually take me over to the Pretty Links website, wherever that domain or wherever that URL is pointing to. So awesome. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go over to the WordPress dashboard. I already have my site up here. So as you can see, I'm in the plugin repository. If you type in Pretty Link, like I did, or Pretty Links with an S, you are most likely going to go ahead and see the Pretty Links plugin here. If you want to click on it and get more details, it will take you to this page so you can just get some ideas of how you can use the plugin more. Just keep in mind, Pretty Links does have a free version, which is inside the WordPress repository. But if you decide to go over to the paid version, you actually get a few more features, such as it will auto link keywords. So say you're writing blog posts and your keyword is, I don't know, WordPress, it will automatically link that word and send it to whatever link you want it to send it to. So there are some pretty cool features inside of the pro version. You can also categorize your links. So if you're using a lot of different affiliate links, a lot of different tools, then you can also categorize those as well. So I do think it's worth an investment if you are going to be using a plugin like Pretty Links a lot. But for most people, the free version does exactly what it needs to do, especially if you're just looking for something just to shorten your links or just make your links more memorable, especially for affiliate links or any other long links that you may share. So going back over to the plugins page, I already installed Pretty Links and now I just need to activate it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on activate and go through that process. All right, so they pretty much have like a little bit of an onboarding wizard to show you how that you use it. So once Pretty Links is installed and activated, it is going to add a new tab to your WordPress left sidebar over here menu. You can enter the URL of your affiliate link, customize it to whatever you want that to be, update, and then you can copy your Pretty Link. So let's go ahead and try something like that. So I'm going to go over to Pretty Links. I'm going to click on Add New. All right, and so from here you can, add whatever title you want to use for this link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of my URLs. And I'm going to grab one of my affiliate codes. I kind of have like an Airtable spreadsheet of affiliates. And I will at some point share this spreadsheet with you. I think it does have a lot of helpful tools, and not just affiliate tools, but tools I actually use or tools that don't have an affiliate link. So I will share that at some point. So I'll take this ConvertKit link, for example. So as you can see, this ConvertKit link, it doesn't really look that great. It's not that memorable. If I was talking to someone, I wouldn't be able to just share that with them. But if I could tell them like, hey, just go to weekendwebsitecourse.com/ConvertKit, one word, people could easily find that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, go back over to the dashboard, and I'm going to call this ConvertKit. So that way, if I'm looking at it in a list of different links, I know exactly what it's doing. All right, so you can choose whichever redirection you want to choose for this type of link. If you want to learn more about redirections, you can definitely look into that. So what's happening is when someone is trying to go to this link would be kind of like your website, it's being redirected to whatever target URL you're putting here. So the target URL is my ConvertKit affiliate link. And then I'm going to change this, and I'm on a demo site, so I know this looks a little bit weird. So I'm on a demo site right now, and I'm going to put in ConvertKit as a forward, what goes after the /. So this will be a lot easier to share than to just use this. So you can go ahead and copy that. It automatically adds the extension or the the part after the /, and then also the first part of your domain. And so once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and click on update, and it is creating that link for you. All right, and so also one of the benefits for the premium or pro version of Pretty Links is that you get a little bit more, like the categories, you can tag it, keyword, which is pro, but you can also look at how many times this link has been clicked. So that's a great idea for you to track. And in most affiliate programs, they do have some type of tracking, but on your own site, you can see how many times a link has been used. So if everything worked correctly, I should be able to use this link and go directly to the ConvertKit website. So let's go ahead and try that now. All right, and that worked perfectly. So like I said, you can take any URL that you want and shorten that link, or prettify it or make it look nicer, easy to remember. So I hope that you found this helpful. One last thing before you go, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please like the channel and please subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Thanks.